So today I'm doing an unboxing of VIJIM LS02, which of course will cover the LS01 as well, but it's basically unboxing. I ordered this the other day. Funny part is I'm doing an unboxing for being able to do mounting and overhead type video. For whatever reason, accessories or everything else you need. That's basically what this video is about. LS02. So we're going to do a quick little review on it and unboxing and cover to see how solid it is, because I need a solid stand for my camera setup. So we can begin with the unboxing. Well packed, very well packed, and nothing left in the box. All right. So let's start off, of course, with the, whoa, that is solid. That's not plastic. That is a solid metal stand. I mean, that is metal. I'll give you an idea here. Probably not the best example. That's metal. That is metal. That's all solid metal. Let's see if I can get a magnet to show you how solid that is. Okay, one part I forgot to include, of course, was the actual instruction booklet. Pretty straightforward, pretty simple instructions. And that's all we wrote. That's all she wrote, that's all there is. Oh yeah, it doesn't seem to want to tell me. Oh, it's a cheap magnet. Anyways, bottom line is that's metal. That is a solid piece. Let's get into the arm portion of it. And I didn't realize it came with a cell phone adapter, so that's a bonus part right there. Wasn't expecting that. So that's an added bonus. Again, metal. This feels like either a hard composite or even metal, but I don't know. Either way, whatever it's made out of, it is solid. That's not messing around. That's solid stuff. And this part's just a bonus. That's excellent. Okay, so that's the unboxing of it, and I'm going to set it up and actually put my camera rig on it and show you exactly how solid that is holding up. Obviously, anything mounted on this is going to be solid as it is because it's one solid piece. But this part is the biggest curiosity, whether or not this is going to support my camera rig for what I need it for. Okay, so that's it. Let's move in, of course, to the actual setup. Okay, so this is what we're looking at as far as my camera setup on it. We're looking at an A6000. That's Sony Alpha 6000. And you can see a little bit of benditure. That's about the max height that the actual stand goes. But is it solid? Yeah, it's solid. Maybe it's just a matter of mounting, but it's not like it's pressured. I could put more pressure on this and it holds. The weight on this, it is, well, it does actually have, hang on a second. It does actually have a battery at the back too. So, and that's pretty heavy. If I go to weigh it, is it solid though? I trust my equipment, which is well over $1,000 on it. I don't have a problem with it. I would be okay with keeping that on there without any issue. Like, I don't feel it's going to go anywhere. So I would trust it actually on there, as mounted as it is. The only disappointment is that this does not extend. It is the length that it is. You can't pull it out anymore. From what I can see, what you see is what you get. Also, as you can see, this is the height that it goes. It won't go here. It'll only go as high as here. It'll go down here. But in order to mount it on here, you're going to have to make a way of making this tighter. Maybe put some material around it to try to actually secure it a little more. But right now, natively, it just won't fit here. It just doesn't secure enough. So you're going to have to get creative on doing that. But other than that, it's a pretty good product for the price. I'm not going to discredit it. It's definitely worthwhile. The way it actually handles it, the way it actually fits on, the material that it's made out of, how secure actually the grips are, is pretty good. I can't complain. So that's my review, well, my unboxing, my review. Thank you very much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button down below and also notification to be notified of next videos out there. And thank you very much for watching, and have yourself a great rest of the day. See you next video.